So it's quite noisy. I'll try and speak up. I'm in Greenwich Village in New York. I'm just about to go to a comedy show. But I just want to talk to you guys about the kind of flexibility and freedom in property, and part of that is to do with systematizing. So I can't say the word systemizing. Now, nothing's perfect, you know. Things happen that are one-offs always, but the fact that the great majority of my business is in a process and a system with an operation manual and the communications are templated means that A, it speeds things up, B, the team knows pretty much what to do apart from the outliers that they check in with me, and C, I can be hanging out in New York going to go to a comedy show while the team are running the business because it's processed. So every time you do something in your business, have a look at, have I done this before? Do I need to do this again? And if so, can I make this letter or this text or this email a template ready so that I don't need to rethink the whole thing again the next time I do it? I hope that's helpful. I'm going to try not to get knocked down. Here we go. We're in Greenwich Village in New York and I'm just about going to hit a comedy show. See you later. Bye.